Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on 3-minute series for prelims. In this video, we'll be continuing a discussion on the international environmental non-governmental organizations, that is NGOs. Today our discussion will be on the World Wildlife Fund for Nature, also called as WWF. It is an international NGO founded in the year 1961, working in the field of wilderness preservation, reduction of human impact on environment. The main aim of the WWF is to stop the degradation of the planet's natural environment and to build a future in which humans live in harmony with the nature. So far, World Wildlife Fund had invested about $1 billion in about 12,000 conservation initiatives throughout the world, and the main sources of funding for WWF are individuals, World Bank, USAID, corporations, etc. Some of the important programs of the World Wildlife Fund are the Earth Hour. It is a worldwide movement organized by WWF to encourage individuals, communities and business to turn off non-essential electric lights for 1 hour between 8:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. every year on March 28th. This has been a successful event every year to encourage the individuals and promote the conservation of electricity and awareness regarding energy consumption and its effect on the environment. The second initiative is the Debt for Nature Swap. It is a kind of a financial transaction in which a developing nation's foreign debt is forgiven in exchange for local investments in the environmental conservation measures. This Debt for Nature swap is of two kinds. Either it can be a bilateral or a trilateral initiative. In the case of a bilateral initiative, a creditor country, that is a country which gives money to a debtor country, will forgive some of the amount to invest the forgiven amount in the conservation efforts. For example, if Jamaica is borrowing $1 billion worth of money from USA, and through this Debt for Nature swap, USA will forgive some of the amount, say for example 200 million of this 1 million debt, and ask Jamaica to invest the amount of 200 million in the conservation efforts so that it can benefit from the environmental protection and conservation. The third important is the Living Planet Report. This is a publication released by the World Wildlife Fund once in every 2 years since 1998, and it is based on the Living Planet Index and the ecological footprint calculations. This Living Planet Index is an indicator of the global biodiversity comprising of the vertebrate populations of the species around the world. This list is maintained in conjunction with the Zoological Society of London and also the World Wildlife Fund. The fourth one is the Global 200 ecoregions, which are designated by the World Wildlife Fund to select the priority ecoregions for the conservation within the terrestrial, freshwater and marine habitat types. Now let us solve this question. Consider the following statements regarding World Wildlife Fund for Nature. It organizes Earth Day every year. It is an intergovernmental fund to finance activities of the conservation worldwide. The correct answer is D, none. It organizes the Earth Hour every year and not Earth Day. And it is not an intergovernmental fund, rather it is an international NGO, non-governmental organization, and performs the financing activities of conservation worldwide. Therefore, the correct answer is D, none. Thank you.